Cardano just did a massive move, and if that sounds interesting, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, we have a beautiful moveset hitting our 44-cent level today. So what happened on Cardano? You guys can see we were bouncing in between the resistance levels of 41 and 40 cents. And I mentioned to you guys that it's going to be extremely good for the bullish case scenario as long as we can hold above these support levels. The reason for that is you can see that we were testing these levels here major times before we saw the massive waterfall effect down, and now we actually broke above this major resistance level for the next take profit here at 44. Of course, I mentioned this because of the fact that once we saw over here, this is where pretty much the waterfall effect started. So that was the next case scenario for the bullish case to actually retest that level and possibly take profits there. You can see as soon as we tested the 44 cent, we have this beautiful manipulation wick being formed now. Ideally, I don't want to be entering any positions until I get the 4-hour candle close, because it's going to be very, very important for the bulls to try to actually stay above this 41 cent resistance and find it as consolidation now. Any move below the 39 cents will obviously put Cardano in bearish pressure, and we could possibly be retesting lows. But as of right now, the BART formation is invalidated, right? Yesterday, we had a BART formation play out, and I mentioned that if we get a move above that 41 cents, that BART formation would be invalidated, and this would just be continuing as a pullback opportunity and continuing higher. Now, of course, on the lower time frames, if you want to go look at the BART formation, you can see that technically speaking, the BART should have played out like this, where we saw this massive move to the upside, consolidate, and this should have been the BART formation to the downside. But instead, we actually saw a much larger picture, and now we are seeing those rejection candles on the 1-hour time frame. As long as we don't get a continuation, like immediately break below that 39 cents, this BART formation is pretty much invalidated. But we also have to be very careful about a possible M formation being formed too. Ideally, we won't find anything out until the 1-hour closes. Obviously, once we get a few candlesticks above this 41 cent, then we can try to understand where exactly Cardano is going. But this was a beautiful trade to actually take. You can see that we are actually bouncing right near that resistance level and using the exponential moving averages as support. So you guys already knew when you do that, 9 out of 10 times you tend to see a beautiful breakout formation. That's exactly what happened. And of course, this was also technically the third test confirmation, which I mentioned in yesterday's video, that if Cardano can get above these levels, this would be the third test, and you will break out usually on the third test. So you had two reasons to actually look for that long position. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.